breathing returned to normal bowel movements, which is, beautiful. If anybody suffers from issues with that, you're happy to have that under control.
The poop is good. I've just seen less bloating. I've seen less bloating post-meal, less gas.
So a lot of times when people think of the microbiome, they just think of gut and digestion, but it is so much more than that.
My skin started to clear up. And I don't have a ton of skin problems, but what has happened with my skin as a result of taking the microbiome products was a very pleasant surprise.
I think the biggest thing that I wasn't expecting and that I noticed was the change in my hormones, especially my cycle.
But I think the biggest compliment came from my husband, because I am much calmer that time of the month. He specifically asked me, like, what are you doing differently? And I said, wow, well, my products are working. That's a win.
I was shocked about the way that this product made me feel mentally. When I came to my husband and I said, my mood has just been incredible the last few days. And he was like, me too. I just wasn't expecting that.
And then with my sleep, I was sleeping so much better. And I was falling asleep so much quicker, and I was staying asleep, which also had a lot to do with like my mood too, because I was actually getting restful night's sleep.
As we're learning how important the microbiome is, it's so great that it doesn't have to be hard to support our bodies in this. We have something that we can get in our cupboards and just reach for, and it's so convenient.
Wow. See this face? This is my science-excited face.